Max the ape dog is snoring, sleeping like a baby. Sweet dreams, dreaming of all the delicious food he ate all day, pumping my wife's leg. He lives the life. He's got that nice comfortable bed. He's so relaxed. Look at my other dog over there. Chloe, look at her. She's the queen. She's very relaxed as well. They live the life, huh? They got nothing to worry about. They don't have to worry about paying bills, making money. You know? Just sleeping, eating, and humping. Not too shabby. They have the same goals as the Apefather. Right, Jen? She's like, what do you want me to answer that for? Sleeping, eating, and humping.